Coated, not coated. Hey guys, so I'm Tyler from Diamond Protech, and today we're going to be showing you how to use Diamond Interior on your various interior surfaces. As you can see on this door here, we have synthetic leather, we have plastics, so let's get going. What you're going to want to start with, right, of course, is the coating, your applicator, a brush, or you could have a machine of some sort, in this case, it's a drill, a pack of towels. We have ours, of course, courtesy of the rag company, body prep, and of course, multi-surface cleaner. We always like to start by spraying into the media as opposed to directly on the panel. That's to avoid overspray. But you'll notice multi-surface cleaner, of course, foams up extremely well. So one of the keys here as well, you're gonna wanna make sure that this does not dry on the surface. So we're just gonna go right in and wipe this up, right? Look at all that dirt that came up. And that's just general everyday gunk. This car gets maintained fairly decent. For professional purposes, what we definitely recommend is this whenever possible, because it's going to cover a lot more area a lot faster. Get into the crevices, nooks and crannies, you're going to want to use this brush. The combination of them two is what's going to help you get the job done fastest and keep your customer happy. Spray a little bit right into here. That's definitely more than you need. You don't necessarily need it to be dripping like that. So this particular drill has speed setting 1 and 2. You're going to keep it on 1. 1 is fine. And you could even try to get it in the crevices, the best you can. You could even use it as a manual brush like I did right here. And you see it's actually getting in there quite well. So as you noticed, I covered that area a lot faster and a lot more thoroughly, right, than I could with one of these. So now that this is clean, right, just for demonstration purposes, we're gonna go into the prep process and then the coating process. So this has been all cleaned. So now we're gonna go ahead and prep. Now body prep, about 15 seconds here. Make sure that's nice and even. For best practice, spray into the media that you're gonna be applying with. And now we're all set for coating. So Diamond Interior in particular has a little bit of a different makeup than other coatings. It has this nice milky white nature to it. Right? So again, as always, you're gonna shake this up, 15 seconds. So you have a couple options here. You could apply this just very carefully, directly putting it on the applicator, or you could use a pipette. Those are recommended for precise control. For today's demonstration, we're going to be directly onto the applicator like so, and a little bit faster of the method you could do is like this. It's a little more than I wanted, but it will be okay. And then we're gonna move you in closer over here so you get a better shot. Right on this section of the door. Straight across, down, here. So what you're gonna notice, right, is the door, or the plastic in this case, right, it has a nice darkened sheen to it. Right? It's not that greasy, sort of overly textured finish, right? It just looks nice and deep. So if you look close, right? See this right here? See that? Not coated. Coated? Not coated. And one of the really nice things about Diamond Interior is it's wipe on, immediately buff off. There's no wait time. As you see, it's nice and even right here, but for good measure, the towel that we include in every kit and also that we sell on our website helps make sure everything's even, good to go, and you're all set. All right, guys, so that just about does it for this video of Diamond Interior. As you can see, everything came out really nicely on the door panel, even on the synthetic leather area. It really is that simple. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly, and we'll see you next time.